Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro 2. How much will it cost? We'll have that coming right up. Last couple of weeks, the drone community's been abuzz with the See the Bigger Picture event that DJI is holding in New York City on July 18th at 10 a.m. Rumor and speculation has it that they will be releasing a Mavic Pro 2, which is something that I do believe will be released. Now, one of the questions that I've been getting, Bill, how much do you think that the Mavic Pro 2 will cost? That's an excellent question. And so, Bill, what do you think the pricing structure is going to be? Now, if you remember a week or so back, I did a video called DJI Mavic Pro 2, What Will We See? And in that, I discussed 8 different options that I believe will be on the Mavic Pro 2. Now, I'm going to put a link in the description, and there'll also be a card up there for you guys to go ahead and click on that link to see actually what all those options are. But we're going to talk about one of them specifically right now. And the one that we're going to talk about is, I firmly believe that there's going to be 2 models of the Mavic Pro 2. You're going to have a Mavic Pro 2 base model, which will have a better camera than what's currently on the Mavic Pro 2. Then you will have a Mavic Pro 2 Pro, if you will, that's going to have the 1-inch sensor on that. Now, I believe the pricing structure is going to be something like this. For the Mavic Pro 2, for the first model that I talked about, I believe that the base is going to be $1,199 USD, and I believe that the Fly More combo is going to be $1,399 USD. Now, for the Mavic Pro 2 Pro, if you will, I'm just arbitrarily giving them these names. I believe that the base is going to start out at $1,399 USD, and I believe that the Fly More combo is going to be $1,599 USD. So this is where I'm thinking things will fit. Well, you know, and again, this is just an educated guess based upon what I have seen out there. Now, I've seen a lot of pricing. I've seen a lot of speculation regarding this, and I've seen anywhere from $1,199 USD to $1,599 USD. So, you know, the pricing, I believe, is going to be right within that range. My question of the day: what do you think the pricing structure will be for the new Mavic Pro 2? Leave me a note and leave me a comment in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying!